Hello guys, this is my new channel. This channel is about reviews, unboxings, and I will teach you how to do many things in your computer, like in this video. So this new channel have two versions, one Portuguese version and this version in English, but in the same channel. So I will start to teach you how to repair your computer in these words. So with the commands chkdsk and svc scannow. So we have to open our CMD in search. We write CMD and right button, administrator. Yes, okay. Now the first command is this, chkdsk. What is the object of this command? Is repair errors in your PC. Yes, chkdsk, enter. Okay, and we'll start automatically. I think that this will take some time, I think. But we will wait because you have to see how it works. Okay, it's taking some time, so I will, for the next step, is chkdsk but bar f. Oh, it ended. So Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. No further action is required. Okay. So the next step is chkdsk bar f. What is the object of this command? Is repair errors in your disk. Okay. So these commands will repair and check errors in your disk, like virus and malicious archives. They will do this the next time when Windows restarts, and will take many 20 minutes to realize that. And I did this many times and have no problems, but I don't responsible with your errors. Okay, so I will do this now for you to see. chkdsk bar f. Okay, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? I will put yes. Epsilon, enter. Okay. Okay, the next step, the final step, is svc bar scan now with two hands. The object of this command is repair Windows archives and files. So copy and paste, enter. Begin system scan. The process will take some time. I have one more command to teach you. It's this command. I will in my software editor. It's that. This command, this big command, will remove junk files like recent files and files that you didn't know that exist. So I have no problem. But one more time, I don't responsible for errors. So this is taking some time. So I will stop this and I will show you the new command. I will copy, paste, and do that. Deleted files. Yes. Okay. This video terminated. I will put these commands in the description. So thanks for watching and put like in this video. This is my new channel, my first channel. So sorry for the help.